beautiful 1961 Chevrolet Impala Convertible. A very nice car, as you can see. This particular vehicle is powered by a 348 Chevy V8 underneath the hood. That is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. See the chrome and the bright work and the grille and everything. Very nice up front. Great looking cars in 61. Along with the 348 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. It's also a very nicely equipped car. Now the color of this car was originally the ermine white. So still in its white color like it would have came from Chevrolet back in the day. Interior in this car was the red and ivory. So it carries the red and white theme throughout. As you can see, riding on the wide white walls, a little highlighted red on the rims. Nice looking wheel covers with the knockoffs. If you'd like to check out the still pictures of this car, please feel free to check them out. If you look down below this video in the description, there's a link that'll take you directly to the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, which is our website. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726, where we can be reached at. You can see how straight, nice this car is up and down it. This came out of a collection. Unfortunately, the gentleman's no longer with us, and they are selling out his collection of cars. Higher end collection, all his cars are pretty darn nice. So this is one of those. And as you can see, this one also in nice shape. Now the convertible top is white in color, and it is a power top. Works fine. Top is also in nice shape. And again, where I told you to check those still pictures out, you can check out pictures of the top, engine bay, undersides. As usual, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation of this vehicle to where you're located at. See the dual exhaust. Gives the 348 a nice sound. Dual antennas. Just a great looking rear to these cars. Nostalgic taillights back there. And again, look up and down the driver's side. You can see how straight and how well this car fits, how nice the bright work is, chrome. Again, nice looking wide whites in this car. Imagine driving any of your local cruise-ins or any of your local shows. This is a head turner, no doubt about that. It does have an aftermarket set of gauges in it that fit very nicely. Also has aftermarket radio that does work. Played around with the wipers a little bit ago. Those come on fine. Like I said, power top works great. Radio works. So nice driver. Get in and go. This one is ready. Manual windows. Does have the crank wing window. See how nice the door cards are. Again, this car's ready to be driven. Get it out on the road and have some fun with it. Great looking steering wheel too, one of my favorites. 61 Impalas. Nice looking dash. Again, 4-speed bench. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It is a little bit cold-blooded. Oh, and did I mention the 348 is a tri-power car also. Like I said, just a little bit cold-blooded, and I haven't had this one running. There's your aftermarket style gauges on the dash. See how nice they fit. Tachometer in the center there. Temperature to the left, oil pressure to the right. There we go. Warmed up a little bit, let her idle. Here's the aftermarket stereo I was talking about. The retro sound ones, I believe they are. Look how smooth that 348 runs. Wow, so nice that door closes and fits. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Right now it has 3 single air cleaners, the small ones on the carbs, just so you know. And then included in the trunk, there's the larger tri-power air cleaner there. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second so we can check out that engine bay. Take a look at the 348 underneath there. Alright, look at how nice it looks underneath there. Chevy orange. Valve covers an engine. tri-power I was talking about. As you can see, power steering down there, power brakes. Still has the bottle. Washer fluid extra. See how smooth that thing runs. Great running and sounding 348. Hood liner also in great shape. So like I said earlier, check out the link down below this video in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you directly to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, where you can check out the still pictures of this car. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we'd be happy to assist you in getting this beauty to where you're located at. Give us a call.